If you are looking for a way to hide your personal chats on Instagram without deleting them, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to hide chat on Instagram without deleting them. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your device. Next, tap on the paper airplane icon in the top right corner to access your direct messages or DM. Find a chat that you want to hide and open it. Now, tap on the name of the person at the top of the chat. From there, select privacy and safety. Then, tap on restrict. This will limit their ability to see if you have read their messages. Once you restrict that person, their chat will no longer appear in your primary message section. Plus, you can still read their messages without them knowing that you have seen them. If you ever want to unrestrict the person, simply search for the username in the search bar. Tap on their profile and select unrestrict. It's as easy as that. And that's how you can hide your personal chats on Instagram without deleting them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.